Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to change a phone number on your Binance account. This is a very easy method. First you want to go ahead and log in to your Binance app, and then you want to tap on the account icon, okay? Then tap the profile section at the top and then go to security. Now here what I need you to do is click on this arrow down here to reveal more options. Come here and tap on phone number. And then what I need you to do is go ahead and tap the edit icon next to the phone number you want to go ahead and change. Okay, carefully read these notes. Remember guys, after the phone number is unlinked, you'll not be able to do this for another 24 hours before using it again. Come here, click on continue, and then you can click on switch to another verification method as well if you want to use another two-factor authentication method. Now here, just go ahead and enter your phone number, okay? Another phone number, tap on get code, and you should actually receive a verification code on the new number. Just enter this code, and I want you to go ahead and tap on submit, and your new number will basically be verified. Okay, really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions.